In this tutorial, we will cover custom page breaks for printing and exporting in Google Sheets. Custom page breaks will help you select specific areas of a sheet in your workbook for later printing or exporting as a PDF. So, for example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 specific areas that I want separated into individual sheets. These are all delineated by different colors. To get your custom page breaks, we use the print button. You can use the print button up the top left here, or the shortcut Control P, or go to File, scroll to the bottom and click Print. Let's do that now. Okay, once we're in our custom page breaks, you'll see that the print option is set to current sheet. You can't do the whole workbook or a selected set of cells for custom page breaks. So once we have set that to current sheet, we can scroll to the bottom, and if this isn't toggled on, you can toggle this on. It says custom page breaks. You can click it to green and then go to edit. Now you've got an edit menu here, and you can drag and create custom page breaks as you see fit. So you'll usually have a bar with a custom page break set up already. You can move this left or right and position it like so. To get another one, you can drag one from the right hand side and bring it across. Alternatively, you could do the same on the left hand side and bring it across. Now if you don't like that point there, and obviously that doesn't match our breaks that we desire, you can drag that back across to the side to cancel it out. Okay, so now we've got a few more custom page breaks that run horizontally. Let's drag this center one up to between row 16 and 17. And we'll move this one up again between 44 and 45. Now we have custom page breaks for each color section I've displayed here. So now we'll go to confirm breaks. Now before I do so, you can just see up here if you've got breaks in the wrong area and you want to quickly reset, you can click that reset button. Okay, moving on to confirm breaks, and we're done. In this preview screen here, you can see that they've all been separated into individual pages. Okay, you can go ahead and print or save it as a PDF now. So to do that, you just click next. And in this case, I'm saving as a PDF, and you can see in the preview screen that they will print and save in individual pages. Now you don't have to use the custom page breaks straight away. You can always go back and use them at a separate time. So if I'm working here, I've created, for example, another tab. I've written something in here like hello, and then I've gone back to my first sheet and decided to print out the custom page breaks. I can this time go to the print button, open it up, and my custom page breaks are there. If you at some stage choose not to use them, you can toggle them off and you can see them at the page, or you can toggle them back on again. Now another great use for custom page breaks is to remove portions of your sheet that you don't want to display. So now that I've set my page breaks the way I want, perhaps I don't want to see the red page break and I don't want to see the blue page break. We can continue onto our printing process and click next. We can see red is on page 2, and instead of clicking all pages, we can just go to custom. So I want page 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 3, 3 to 5, and then we want 7 to 9. And now the red and the blue sections have been removed. You can hit save, and that will save as a PDF. That's all there is to custom page breaks. If you enjoyed the tutorial, click the like button, and if you want to grab some more weekly tips on all things Google Workspace, go on and subscribe. Catch you in the next tutorial.